So hello guys, welcome again to a new HTML video on YouTube blog. So today's HTML topic is CSS Text Effect. So I hope this CSS Text Effect is gonna be quite interesting. I hope you all guys knows that we are doing CSS Advanced Programming. So this is the fourth video on Advanced Programming. Earlier three videos are already made. If you have not watched still yet, then please go and watch. So let's see today's program. So as you can see, this is CSS text effect, right? Now how to affect a text. Now this is the first program. Now let's copy this program and see what's the output. So I'm copying this program. Okay guys, I'm copying this program and I will paste it in Node++. So come on, what's the problem? So I'm copying this program. Finally I'm copying this program. Come on. Why it's making a problem, guys? Okay, this is where is the program? As you can see, here is the program. So I'm gonna copy this program. Now I am gonna copy this program. No one can stop me. Okay. So I've copied this program and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this program over here. Pasting this program, saving into my desktop file, I mean HTML file by 1.html as it is our first program. So I have saved this file. Now let's see what is the output. So as you can see over the here, now we are opening. Okay, now this is what text editing. Now actually what was the program? Let's compare the program with the output and let's understand. So this is the CSS text effect, right? So what is the program actually? Let's see. So what is the first program? So the first program is about CSS text effect. Now let's see. For first tag we have used is HTML tag, then head tag, then under style tag we have written p.test1 white space no wrap, now wrap. Acha, we have used this one, this syntax. Then we have used width is 200 px, border is 1 pxs, solid has 000, overflow hidden. Okay, in the next line overflow hidden in quotation. Now these are all syntax. Okay, text overflow clip, we have to put quotation also. Text overflow clip, text overflow please whatever. Now in para test 2, now this was para test 1, now in para test 2. So I think this program is gonna be not in that much interesting, but it's important. Okay, so para in p2 in p.test2 we have written under bracket white space now wrap with 200 px border, as you have seen over here earlier. The same we have written over here. Then we have closed style tag, then we have closed head tag, and we have open body tag. And under body tag now we have written heading the text overflow property. As you can see, the text overflow property is showing over here. And then we have written a para. As you can see, this para is over here. Then we have written again a heading. Then we have in this heading we have written text overflow clip. Now this is the heading. Now in the heading we have written a para. As you can see, p class by the attribute of p class equal to in quotation test1. You can see this para is showing over here. Now okay, now in heading 2, as you can see, we have written again one text overflow, this one text 2. In the heading we have written, and para we have written, this is the heading and this is the para we have written, and then we have closed body tag and HTML tag. So this was the first program for today, and this program was all about CSS text effect. Okay, now let's go for the next program. So this is the next program, as you can see this. So I'm copying this program. I've copied this program. Now let me paste this program on Node++. So I've pasted this program. Now let's save this program by 2.html. Save this program. Now let's see and let's open the file. So as you can see the difference between the first program and the second program. Okay, what did we do? Now let's see by seeing the program. So this is the program. So what we have done, let's see, let's compare. Under style tag we have written p.test1 and we have used width which is 140px, this is 140px, both border 1 pic solid, this is the value of the border. And then we have done word break, we have done a word break. Okay, the word break property, this word breaks, okay, 2 para breaks. So the word break in quotation, under quotation we have written keep all, then p test 2 we have written this border, this para. Now we are talking about this para, second para. Now we have written 140px border 1 box solid. As I have said, this is the same as earlier. p.test2 is same as earlier p.test1. So we have closed style tag and head tag. Now we have started body tag and we have written a heading as usual. Our heading is over here. Then we have written a para and we have used p class attribute to write inside this box. Okay, and under quotation we have written text1. So okay, so now this was the p.test1. Now in the second para we have written p.test2, we have used the p class attribute, this para contains. Okay, now this is the, we have written a para on the second. Okay, now we have written a note. Okay, now we have written a note by using the p tag, then we have closed body tag, and then we have closed HTML tag. Okay, so this was our second program. So I hope you all guys have understood the second program also. So if you have not understand, then just give a rewind to this video and understand it properly again. So today we have done only 2 programs. It's enough for today. Stay tuned for the earlier upcoming videos. Okay, and if you have liked this video, then like, share and subscribe this video with your friends. Okay, tada, bye bye, and stay tuned for the earlier videos.